It is always difficult to keep track of your expiry. Solution is to have a tracker where it will give you update on the status as we are approaching the expiry date. This Excel template will keep track of your expiry date, will give you a highlight saying that this is going to expire or it's expired or if it's active. Isn't that cool? Let's develop the template now. We have a list of products where the purchase date is mentioned here. Now we're going to calculate the date for expiry, number of days left for the expiry, and what is the status of those products. We'll use a couple of formulas and we'll use conditional formatting to highlight the cells and give you a meaningful data. So first of all, I'm going to calculate an expiry date. For this, I'm using a formula eDate. You type eDate and open the bracket, then you need two details here, one start date and month. Select the start date, comma. I'm assuming 12 months is the expiry date, so I'm taking as 12 months and then close the bracket, press enter. Now you get the expiry date is as 12/1/2022. But I want to know one day prior to that, so I put edit the cell and put -1 and enter. You'll get the date as 11/1/2022. So in order to apply into other cells, just double click or drag and select. The cell has calculated the expiry date for those items from the purchase date. Now I need to know days left to expiry. For that, I'm using another formula, which is a normal formula where v is equal to select the expiry date minus then selects today's date. To get the today date, I'm using a formula today, open the bracket, close the bracket, and then after that enter. So today is 19th February 2022, so it will be automatically updated because we are using a formula called today. Excel will automatically pick up the date and the formula will be calculated accordingly. You can see the hash key here, mark here, which means to change the formatting. In order to change the formatting, right click, go to formatting, and then after that select general, press OK. You got the negative value here because the expiry date is already passed. So double click to apply to remaining cells or just drag and drop. Now you have the number of days left for the expiry for each product. Some of them are positive, some of them are negative based on the actual date. Negative means the expiry date has passed. Positive means few more days left for expiry. Now you need to calculate the status based on a formula is equal to if. Now you're selecting a cell where it's saying less than 0, which means if it's a negative value, then I need to bring up a status as expired. So in inverted comma, you mention expired and close the inverted comma, and then after that press comma. So whatever negative value will bring up a status as expired. After that, again press if formula again. We'll use the if formula, then open the bracket, E5 again, which is the days left for expiry. After that, we put formula less than or equal to. If you want to get notified before 7 days, then you need to put 7. Or if you want to know before 15 days, then you put it as 15. Now here I need to know the expiry before 15 days. The status which I need to know is expiring soon. So in inverted, I mention expiring soon. After that, close the inverted comma and then press comma. Then if the scenario doesn't meet, I want to come up an output saying that this is active. So in inverted, I will mention active. So those which are not expired or expiring soon will bring up a result as brackets and press enter. You'll get the details here. Now double click and apply in remaining cell. Now you can see there are different status shown here: expired, expiring soon, and active based on the days left for the expiry. Now I need to show up in highlighted when it's expired, so which we can do it in conditional formatting. For that, you need to select the cells and then go to conditional formatting, select the new rule and select the last option. Here you'll give the formula based on that the cell will be highlighted. For that, you equal to press the select the cell where the status is updated. Then after that, remove the $sign before the number equal to that inverted comma, write expired and then close the inverted comma. Now if the status is expired, I want to highlight in red. So you can change the formatting here. Now go to fill and then make a color as red and then make the font as bold and then press OK. You can change the color as per your need. Then press OK. Then you press OK again here. Then it will be applied. So whatever expired will show us as red and the other remain the same. So I need to give a colors to the expiring soon. So you can use the same technique. Select the cell, go to conditional formatting. After that, new rule. Then after that you need to go to the last option. Then here you'll use the same formula which we use for other color. So is equal to, select the cell, then after that remove the dollar sign, then equal to inverted commas, mention expiring soon, the same which we have mentioned there. And after that fill color as yellow, and then you can change the font color whatever you want here. Change the color code based on your requirement. Once color coded, press OK and OK again. Now the conditional formatting has been applied to the Excel file. Anything which is expiring below 15 days will show in yellow. Anything expired will show in red. If the expiry more than 15 days, then it will show as white. So this way we can easily track the expiry dates of our documents or files or insurance or a license or contracts or purchase order, whatever which we need to know. We can keep it as a record. So if you change any of the date, then you can see here the color automatically changes according to the criteria which we said before. I hope this video is helpful to you. If yes, please do consider to subscribe my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up. You can download the template from the video description. I'm uploading Excel tutorial on a continuous basis. Please check out my channel. You can find more useful videos like this.